Well, hello folks, I'm back. Just a little update. I did the other video and I didn't, I told you that the control board was, to be determined. But I got it working, so I'm kind of excited. Anyway, everything works. The middle button is your shift. I could go fast or I could go slow. Same with the Y's. Or slow. Shift. Yeah. Whatever. The Z. The same thing. I gotta do a little stretch if I want to do the shift on that. Or slow. Up. My coolant button works. And let's see if I get that on. Coolant. There you go. Press the coolant, you'll see it come out. And all my cycle start, reference all. If I hit that, it goes into homing. So, just about it. The only thing I have to find out now is the hotkey for the reset. Maybe I have to redo it on, through like mock screen or something like that. But that's it. That's the last of the updates. Take care.